Hi, again, welcome to ED 153. Just wanted to take a moment or so to go over a couple things with you. Some of this information was in the announcements and then also the Getting Started module. Again, all assignments are due on Tuesdays. Please work hard to submit your assignments on time. There is information in the syllabus addendum about submitting late assignments. Just remember, if you don't submit assignments, you can be dropped from the class. Each week you'll have your module and you'll have your resources and what chapter you should be reading, and then also I'll have resources that you should read, etc. And then your assignments will be in each module. As far as the book, each chapter comes straight from the textbook. This is what your book cover should look like. If you're using Cengage Unlimited and you're using the ebook, when you first log in, it may ask you for access code. You do not need that. Just keep scrolling until you see access to the ebook. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to remind you about. So now, if you will, make sure you post to the introduction forum and then you submit your course information quiz. Those are the first assignments that are due. And then also each week, be sure and click. When you see click and listen, that means, I've got instructor notes or a little lecture that you need to listen to or view. So be sure and look for that also. Thanks.